Sunday in the South Valley, we've got some high clouds gracing our skies. Otherwise, it is nice out there. Not as hot as last week. Getting to that in just a moment. Currently, we're looking at a temperature that got up to 95 degrees at Bakersfield. Record for this 109, set all the way back in 1906. Sun is up until 7:44 out there today. So you can see the mostly sunny skies prevailing, but some wispy cirrus coming on shore from the west and south. That is part and parcel of an upper level low currently spinning west of San Francisco by a long stretch. You can see that pulling up of that subtropical moisture from the south. Most of that will stay off to our west, but we could get in on some more clouds in the days to come. But we are looking at a lot of clouds and some action with hurricane, now Tropical Storm Lala over Hawaii. That was the big story over the weekend. Currently, winds sustained at 65 miles an hour. Lots of heavy rain, strong winds, intense surf, and power outages raking the islands from southeast to west and northwest. Luckily, the storm is moving on by. It will be passing you by in the hours to come, west-northwest at 20. That is the trajectory. Our trajectory temperature-wise is in the low to mid-90s in the South Valley, upper 90s in Ridgecrest, earlier 100 degrees in Edwards Air Force Base, a pair of 8s for Van Nuys, and 75 lovely degrees. In Santa Barbara, currently a bit warmer in Vegas at 100. As you know, it could be warm this time of year, 12 degrees higher than Saturday at this time. 1 degree up across the South Valley in Bakersfield, and about 3 to 4 in the desert to the mountains of Kern County. Now let's take a look back to a week ago today. It was 111 at this time on Sunday. Hottest temperature in 2 years was recorded. The temperature went down barely at all on Monday at 108. Tuesday came in a bit more relief, but still above 100 at 102. Wednesday, 100 degree. And then that was it for the heat wave number 3. It ended on Thursday. Back down into the 90s we went, 95 degrees officially. Friday, the coolest of the last 7 at just 90. And then Saturday, which was yesterday, came up to 93. And you saw today, my friend, see it again, 95 currently. That was the high in Bakersfield. Back to school you go tomorrow. Kids will love the forecast, 68 lovely degrees, about 7 in the morning. It will be a mix of sun and some high clouds you'll see out there. Cirrus clouds, much like currently. And going back home about 2 to 3, looks like the high will be 95 degrees with a bit of sunshine mixed in with cirrus clouds. Otherwise, it'll be comfortable but warm. But Havasu, hello, I know people that visited from there. 114 will be the forecast for Monday. Grand Canyon, just shy of 90. 106 in Vegas. Let's take a look at a little bit cooler weather for the Central Valley. High 90s for Fresno. How about a cool down for the coast? Always much nicer. 63 in San Francisco. 94 in Sacramento. Let's take a look at that latest 7-day forecast. We've got some high clouds coming on in from the south and the southwest. As we saw today, much more possibly in the days to come, but the highs will be on the high side. Basically, mid to upper 90s in the South Valley could have a chance at 100 on Thursday. Otherwise, lows upper 60s to around 70 or so for Bakersfield, Arvin, and Delano. Over the mountains, it will be a borderline forecast. Mid to upper 80s, maybe close to 90. Overnight lows in the mid-50s to around 60 or so. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy at times with some high to mid-level clouds. Breezy day to day to day, the afternoon evening hours, as you know. KRV, mid to upper 90s for you. It looks like it'll be warm with a lot of sunshine, but again, could have some high clouds coming on through at times from the south and the southwest. Overnight lows comfortable in the mid to upper 60s, and the desert will be the hottest on the map. We will look at temperatures in the hundreds. Could be as high as 105, 106, or even 107 by Thursday in Ridgecrest and Edwards. Overnight lows upper 60s to low 70s. Still a bit of a monsoon to our east, non-soon over Kern County. We'll track that forecast to see if that changes. Otherwise, it'll be a nice but pretty warm forecast for the next 7. Stay tuned to more.